The rejection of the presidential election result by Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Party coalition presidential candidate Raila Odinga has set the stage for a battle at the Supreme Court. The new constitution in 2010 established the 7-member Apex Court, whose rules include resolving presidential election disputes. Our very own Ayub Abdul Kadir reports that Odinga has fought battles at the Apex Court, which has the exclusive mandate of handling presidential petitions in 2013 and 2017. The case will be dealt with by a bench led by Chief Justice Martha Koome, who was promoted just in May last year. Take a listen.
Established under Article 163 of the Constitution, the 7-member Supreme Court is required to issue its decision within 14 days of the lawsuit being filed. Chief Justice Martha Koome is the president of the Apex Court and will be at the helm as the court delves into the third presidential election petition under the current constitution. She holds an LLB degree from the University of Nairobi, a postgraduate diploma in law from the Kenya School of Law, and an LLM degree from the University of London. She assumed office on the 21st of May 2021. She is the 15th Chief Justice since independence and the third since the establishment of the Supreme Court. She is also the first woman to hold the office in the country. She was admitted to the role of advocate in 1987. Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mbete Mwilu holds both Bachelor and Masters of Laws degrees from the University of Nairobi. She was admitted as an advocate of the High Court in 1984. She was appointed to the Supreme Court on the 28th of October 2016 and the third Deputy Chief Justice and Vice President of the Court. She has 37 years of experience in the legal profession, having been admitted as an advocate of the High Court in Kenya since 1984.
E293 and E294 of 2021.
Justice Mohammed Ibrahim studied law at the University of Nairobi and was admitted to the role of advocate on the 11th of January 1983. He was appointed as a judge of the High Court on the 22nd of May 2003 and appointed to the first Supreme Court bench on the 16th of June 2011.
On the application by the Party of National Unity,
Lady Justice Njoki Ndongo holds both a Master's in Law degree, LLM in Human Rights and Civil Liberties, and a diploma in Women's Rights. She is also an advocate of the High Court and has previously worked as a state counsel in the Office of the Attorney General. She was also a member of the 9th Parliament.
Notice of motion by Dr. Duncan Oburo Juang.
Justice Dr. Smokin Wanjala has a Bachelor of Laws from the University of Nairobi, a postgraduate diploma in law from the Kenya School of Law, a Master's of Law from Columbia University in New York in the United States of America, and a doctorate in law, PhD, from the University of Ghent in Belgium. He is a judge of the Supreme Court of Kenya appointed in 2011. He was a member of the Judicial Service Commission representing the Supreme Court between 2011 and 2016. He is the director of the Kenya Judicial Academy.
The submissions by the applicants.
Justice Isaac Lenaola is an alumni of the University of Nairobi and the Kenya School of Law. He joined the judiciary in 2003 and worked as a resident judge in Embu, Meru, Machakos and Kakamega High Courts. He is the president of the International Association of Refugees and Migration Judges and is specialized in commercial law and land law. He has also served as a commissioner at the Judicial Service Commission.
And being guided by this court's decision,
Justice William Ouko holds a Bachelor of Laws degree from the University of Nairobi, a diploma in legal practice from the Kenya School of Law, a Master of Arts degree in criminology and criminal justice, and he joined the judiciary in 1987 as a district magistrate too. He was promoted to become the Registrar of the High Court and Accounting Officer for the judiciary in 2002. He was appointed as a judge of the High Court in 2004 and promoted to the Court of Appeal in 2012. He was elected President of the Court of Appeal in 2018 by his colleagues and was appointed to the Supreme Court of Kenya in May 2021. Ayub Abdul Kadir, Citizen TV, Nairobi.